Hey, did you know that aside from calling our office or stopping in, there's an easier way to make an appointment with the Career Development Center? You can do it through Purchase Job Score. After logging in to Purchase Job Score, look over on the right of the screen where the shortcuts are. Select the second one down, Request a Counseling Appointment. If you have a certain counselor in mind, such as someone you have met with before, who has been recommended to you, you can choose who you would like to meet with on the left-hand side under Counselors. From there, you can select a range of dates and times that work best for you. And on the right will show when they are available. If you do not have a specific preference, you can select Check Availability on the bottom left, and a wide range of times and dates with various counselors will be shown for you to pick from. Please note that these are 30-minute time slots, and each appointment typically lasts 30 to 45 minutes. After you've selected a counselor and a time, write a brief description giving your reason for the appointment. Some examples would be resume help, job internship search help, career and major exploration, and mock interviews. You can also attach documents if there's something you would like the counselor to look over before your appointment. When you're done, hit Submit Request and you will hear back within a business day confirming your appointment. To view an existing counseling appointment, should you forget the time or the name of the counselor you're meeting with, go back to the home page and look back over to the shortcuts. Select the third one down, View Career Counseling Appointment, and there it is. Make an appointment with the Career Development Center today.